Boys, hold yourselves together. We have seen you in worse states. We've seen you getting straight out of bed. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Forever Here. I hope that you are all doing well. Yay, I didn't have to wait too long. I'm really looking forward to this. So by now, I would have already posted part 1 of this when they were on TikTok, and it was chaotic. Very, very chaotic. So they were both a little bit unwell, and I think that they had been taking medication that was probably making them feel a bit drowsy, a bit loopy, and I loved all of it. And I'm really looking forward to hopefully seeing them be even more chaotic during this. So this is Stell and Jar, and this is their YouTube live from a couple of days ago. So this is part 2, and this is in the run-up to the release of Kalakal, the official audio and the lyric video as well. If you would have a look at the description below, you will see a link to the original upload. Thank you so much to the YouTube account that is Stella Pressa for uploading and for subbing. Do you want to watch this with me? Do you even answer me when I ask you that question? Why do they want to go back to TikTok? They have a filter on? Do they have a filter on TikTok?
Kasi wala baliktad.
Kasi naka-mirror eh.
I honestly didn't even notice.
Mirrored yan. Baka naman may option na hindi mirrored.
Tayo naka-ano?
Naka-mirror.
What?
Sa view nyo ba naka-mirror din? Sinitsura. Namiwidoan ako kasi para hindi tama yung mukha eh.
Takte!
Parang may mali.
I think you look fine.
Naka-mirror ito same.
Boys, hold yourselves together. We have seen you in worse states. We've seen you getting straight out of bed.
Hi guys, welcome to Pagtatag World Tour.
Huh?
No kissing, no hugging.
Welcome to Kalakal live sa Lubong, guys. Nagkap ako kasi ang weird. Kasi tignan nyo.
I think it looks fine. It looks fine.
Fresh sa TikTok, tas dito, nawala yung blush on.
Andray nga natin.
Ay, parang hindi naman pala. Okay lang ako.
Oh, it's because you're so beautiful. What is he serving for?
So, nandito kami dahil mamaya ay mapapanood natin ang lyric video ni Kalakal dito.
Oh, I should post them all together, right?
Sa YouTube, dito.
I should post part 1, part 2,
so, yan. Kaya lumipat kami dito. Para dito natin abangan sama-sama
ang release
ng Kalakal with lyric video.
With Sir Gulak, and you can stream it to all streaming platforms. So you should guys check out SB19 Official and search sa mga streaming platforms.
That is always his job in interviews anyway, isn't it?
Music, YouTube Music, Spotify, and others.
So ilan ang viewers natin dito? 6,000. 6.8.
Stan account Kalakal. At kahit na ganon pa
serious LSS.
Manayayakapin lang Huwag nang mag-alala.
So ano na yung mga questions nyo, guys?
Shh. He's singing.
7,000 viewers. Dito lang ako kasi dito yung angle na maganda.
Hindi kita yung kabilang side ng mukha kasi ang weird.
The other side of his face is unavailable right now.
Ano yung mga questions nila? Magbasa tayo ng questions. Ito na ulit yung dalawa. Ayun ako.
Sabog. Sabog daw tayo.
No.
High on life. Are we frozen? There's no Wheel of Death.
Kahit ano pong anggulo, love namin kayo.
True.
Uwe.
Ganun anggulo. Anggulo.
Dito ka, Tom Nook. Ayan, si Nook.
Para sila magsalita.
Sabi ni Patatas, what do you want the fans to really understand about Kalakal? Ano ang totoong gusto nyo sabihin? Ano nga ba yun?
Animal Crossing.
Hindi. Ito na naman siya. Para ka maintindihan kung gano'n mo sasabihin. Well, yung Kalakal is all about
Telling people to shut up.
paano nga ba to sinabi? Kasi normally ano siya yung mga bagay na ginagawa namin as an artist, parang hindi naman namin siya ginagawa just to, you know, hindi namin siya ni-release or ginagawa dahil pinipilit namin sa tao na magustuhan nyo yung mga ginagawa
Forcing
namin.
you.
Well, ginagawa namin siya because gusto namin siya and happy kami doon and we love what we're doing. And kung yung nilabas namin ay para sa amin, kabenta-benta siya, marami rin tao nakaka-appreciate. So kahit hindi niyo siya magustuhan.
Brown out na.
So kahit hindi niyo siya magustuhan,
Sana lang talaga.
mapipilitan kayong gustuhin siya dahil
Just since
nakaka-relate
attention
kayo,
span
dahil
is
alam
about
niyo yung
10
story
seconds.
about it, alam niyo yung story namin, and alam niyo kung anong pinaghuhugutan namin. So yun yung story yun yung message ni Kalakal, na parang hindi namin kailangan ipilit sa inyo na magustuhan nyo kasi at the end of the day, dadating yung araw na magigets nyo kami at magugustuhan nyo yung ginagawa namin. Parang
Yes.
ganun. Kasi
Eat it.
sa totoo naman talaga, hindi naman talaga pilitan to.
I love that
Parang
you're
ganun.
saying that.
I mean, hindi
Forcing
namin
you,
pinipilit
forcing
na lahat ng tao magustuhan
everyone.
kami. Hindi namin pinipilit na dapat makilala yung SB19. Basta gusto lang namin ma-share yung craft namin, yung ginagawa namin. Gusto namin ginagawa namin. And nasa inyo na yon kung magugustuhan nyo rin or kung bibilihin nyo yung binibenta namin, which is our skills.
What's that?
Okay.
And if you choose to hate
Paano
them
po pag
actively, then that
naputol
says
yung
much more
kadena
about
na
you.
sinasabi ni Josh? Pag naputol yung kadena, mananakaw yung bike niya. So dapat, bawal na ngayon kaya maputol ang kadena. Dapat ganun yung lyrics niya. Kasi,
Unang tingin pa lang.
sige nga, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hindi pa lang lyrics.
Go on.
So yun.
Unang tingin pa lang, mapapatingin ka na dahil tingin ka na sa tingin na mata mo.
Nis. Yun. Ewan ko kay Josh, ba't siya may kadena doon? Baka kadena ng bike, kadena ng scooter,
Kadena ng gento.
kadena ng bahay.
Happy birthday po. Ay,
Next question. Were there any restrictions when you were writing your own parts or whatever comes in your mind lang? Wala namang restrictions.
bawal
kasi-
pumikit. Nagsulat kayo, bawal pumikit eh. Gala kami sulat. Bawal pumikit.
I
Kaya
laugh.
hindi pinapagaling ni Lord.
Imagine, magsusulat na yun, bawal pumikit.
I'll have whatever he's having.
Give me my money! Yeah! Ay ka naman.
Give me my money.
These two,
So parang ano ba yung tanong
Honestly.
kanina?
they're morphing into each other.
Yeah, wala namang restrictions kasi parang isulat mo lang yung kung ano yung gusto mong sabihin, ano yung message na gusto mong i-deliver, parang go lang, wala naman.
I guess
So,
they
parang
set
naging free
the
naman, parang
tone
mag-write.
beforehand, right? So then when they went to write, they knew what they could
Si
do.
Tadashi dyan?
Tadashi.
Ay, sa ano?
Big Hero 6.
Oo. Okay. Ikaw si Baymax.
I am Baymax.
Ay, may amoy.
Baymax.
Ihing-ihi ka na tapos ibabalibag ka pa. Help. Anong kailangan mong tulong?
Umihi ka na.
So, yun. Yun lang naman. Wala namang, nandun pa rin sa question. Wala namang restrictions. We can write anything we want. Malalaman niyo mamaya yung mga sa lyric video kung ano yung mga lyrics na sinulat ng ibang members.
Kwan eh. Kwan. Wala naman silang inano.
Kung kayo,
Is that a bad word?
ano kayo? Scented candle ako. Or
Why?
perfume ako. Perfume.
Really? This is a very unusual question.
Ha?
I like unusual questions.
Wala lang. Kung lang ay.
Anong amoy mo?
Straws. Beyond
Amoy
brand.
future mo.
Ay! Anong, like, ano ka ba, mga mamahalin? O
I
yung
did
sakto
not
lang,
see
o
that
yung
Sakto lang,
coming.
yung,
exchange gift, gano'n.
yung may ganun pala.
Merong gano'n pa ba?
Um,
Pa exchange gift lang.
Ako yung tipong ano,
That lingers
perfume
on your
na-
skin.
pwede mong dalahin kahit saan.
Tanong ko presyo eh.
Yung affordable, syempre. Ano sa affordable?
Yung mga pang exchange gift or yung sakto lang pang ano, working.
Ito naman, siniseryoso masyado eh. Wala naman bibili. Wala naman akong, ano? Oh.
Ako, feeling ko ano lang. Bouquet of flowers.
Oh,
Ang bilis ko matuyot eh.
oh, ja.
Parang
Anong
sa utak ko eh.
Anong flower ka?
Ano? Ayoko sa
Gising-gising daw. Gulay.
Ano
A
naman?
vegetable.
Yung eucalyptus.
What?
Flower.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Oh, next question na nga. Ewan ko saan na ito papunta.
Going on.
Stell, from 1 to 10, gaano ka kaasar kay Ja? 45! 45!
45.
Wala lang.
You're an enabler, though, Stel. You enable
first
him
time
to be
ulit
this
ako.
irritating.
So you mind.
Okay.
Okay.
Ang banding ng Justel ay mag-ubuhan.
Sabi mo, game.
Oh,
Ano,
no.
Sabi mo kanina, game.
Ano? Okay.
You just said it. Oh, no. He's off.
Game. Ano, game?
He's off.
May sinabi ba akong okay?
You did.
Sabi mo.
Invento?
Sabi mo,
You
di ba,
did.
ipapakita nila yun sa
Anong okay? Wala naman sinasabi ng okay.
game.
Saan? Anong okay saan?
Ewan ko nga, kaya ako natapos sabi mo, game saan?
Alam mo, dapat ikaw yung ginagawa.
Yeah, that's perfect. Let's do this.
Sabi mo kaya talaga. Ay, sinabay kakat.
Ano lang?
I hope you will set him straight. He really did say that.
Pinagsasabi nito. Anong question?
Kabaliw. Pag may ubos sipon.
It's fun though. I quite like it once in a while. So you have to feel sorry for yourself.
Ano ba yun? Sige, parinig nga.
Di ba?
Paliwala naman si Tokmol. Ano kinain mo kanina, Jad? Bakit may amats ka? Ay, pasensya na po kasi yung ano namin dito eh.
Titipid po kami ng kuryente. Paano lang kami dito talaga? Paano lang kami dito?
Brown mga sirain. Pang ano ko pa ito, iba ng wika. Yung gano'n.
Salidumay. Salidumay.
So dami kanta. Bakit salidumay?
Oh my goodness, boys. They need to rest.
Oh my God, sorry guys. 10 minutes left. Ay, joke. 7, ay 8. 8 minutes left before Kalakal release po. Grabe yun. Masaya yung genset namin dito, medyo naglolo. Naka-genset po kasi kami dito. Okay. Any more questions? Ano yun?
Ano tunog yan?
Okay sa'yo. Question.
Happy birthday.
Ano yun? Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Hindi, sabi mo,
To you. Happy birthday.
I really don't even know what I'm watching anymore, to be quite honest with you. These guys sing. Are they any good?
Oh, happy birthday.
Because you can't really tell anymore. I don't know what this is.
Si Ja at Stel ang tunay na nag-represent sa dalawang last brain cells ko.
This is really good for me though, because I'm really tired today. This is waking me up.
May brain cells pa siya.
So isang brain cells mo nakakap
Maybe.
at inuubo.
Are you
Okay,
judging?
next. How game?
Mali.
Puro ubo na lang ata narinig ko sa live. At talaga,
Pati
okay.
kakalakal actually.
Oo naman. Kanina pa kami nagsasalita, puro ubo na narinig ko. Ano, pagkasalita, nakamute?
Pati talaga bigla.
Alam mo, napapasa sa akin yung ubo mo kasi sa akin ka umuubo.
Narinig mo kasi nga, parang ganun siya.
ganun ba?
Pag
It's like a
narinig mo,
yawn.
If
somebody yawns, you will yawn.
Atching ka naman.
Hindi ko kaya.
Baka mga tiilong ko. Wala nang tanong?
Mumog ka salt water.
That's what my mum would say.
Nilalagay ka na yung salt ganyan. Tapos nilalagay ko sa
Whoa. That's hardcore.
kaya nagka-UTI ako, kakaasin eh. Joke lang, wala akong UTI.
There's a lot of information, and I feel like he's saying
6
joke, but
minutes
it's
na lang.
actually the truth.
Ay, hindi mali to.
I really feel like I got to know them a lot more
Hindi,
just
ayun,
then.
no, 11:54 o 16.
You really get to know a man once they've gone through a
Mali
cold.
yan. Oh,
Ay,
11.
54.
Ano ba?
10 minutes delay. Lumalabo na rin yung mata ko. 6 minutes to go.
Hello po sa aming 9.2k viewers. Malapit na pong lumabas ang kalakal.
They sound so much worse than they did at the beginning of this.
Ano ba yung problema mo, Justin? Yung
Hindi yun
orasan
sakto.
ko.
Nung last time tumingin ako dyan, hindi siya saktong 10.
Hey, what?
Nagdagala
Sayo.
ulit siya. Nag-move.
Pag yung problema ko, pinto problema mo. Wala nang tanong? Kasi kung wala nang tanong,
Bye.
tutulog na ako. Joke. Sama ng ugali.
It is.
Ayan, we are ready for you.
Aside from your part, kaninong rap?
Yeah.
Sinagot na namin to kanina yung kay Sir Glock eh.
No, out of the
Yung-
members.
Umaanong umiiling.
Out of the
Ayaw
members.
umiiling. Umaanong umiiling. Sumasang ayong umiiling.
What is up with him today?
Ano pa yung mga tanong? Question, maliban sa part. Ay, ulit-ulit?
Collab daw with to anyone.
Is there any what? Ang pichi-pichi na yan. Malambing yan, malambing. Ang pichi-pichi. Malambing.
Taba mo.
Malambing, ang pichi.
Sir?
Malambing, ang pichi. Malambing, ang pichi-pichi. Malambing. Ano na, wala may question ba?
That's exactly how I
Oh
talk
my
to my
God, 4
cat.
minutes left before
She's
Kalakal
voluptuous.
release. Let's go.
4 na minuto. 4 na minuto.
Ayan, may tanong.
Oh.
Still, may merch ka
Sorry.
rin. Wala po. Wala
That was
pa.
gross.
Straight to the point.
Ay, nag-joke. Wala daw siyang March.
Paano ba ito kinuklose?
January, February, April, May na agad.
In-explain mo
April,
talaga.
May.
In-explain.
Yung, nakamit ka na ba ng taong pangalan April, May?
Nakanamit ka na ba ng kwan?
Very cool name though.
Natutok ko rin.
Nakamit ka na ba ng kwan?
Di ba may alternative lyrics tayo doon?
Ano? No. Sige, sabihin mo. Sige. Next question. O dyan, kanta 6, 7, 8.
Salidumay diwa. Di ko alam yung lyrics doon. Salidumay lang. Salidumay. Diwa ba yun?
Dumay.
Salidumay diwa. 3 minutes na lang.
3 minutes left before Kalakal release, guys.
Tatlong.
I'm so excited. How was the experience collaborating with Sir Glock?
So they don't listen to it with us.
Well, masaya po. Happy po kami. Thank you, Sir Glock 9. Masaya kami. Meron po bang MV? Yes po, meron. At makakasama nyo yung tatlo sa lubong naman ng music video.
No, it's just going to be the two of you.
Aside sa ipon, ano pa yung gusto nyong ilapag sa amin? Ano ba?
Oh, Justin.
Si Pichi, ilapag ko. Alika, Pichi, ilalapag kita dito.
Oh, Justin. I'm so
Ano
glad
ba?
you controlled that.
Babe,
Good boy.
Pichi ka. Bukod sa ipon, lapag ng ipon. Actually, kayo maglalapag ng ipon, hindi kami. Sino mas nakakatakot? Si Pablo o si Sir Glock?
Oh,
Yung nanay ko. Mas nakakatakot yung nanay ko. Yung lola ko.
I don't believe that.
Takot kayo.
I don't think that Tita Mylene is scary.
Describe Kalakal in 3 words.
He's lying.
Kalakal.
Ay, words. Counted yun.
Lock.
Lock.
Hmm.
Oh,
Ay!
Kalakal in 3 words. Amazing, nice, good job.
1 minuto na lang.
Sino ang iba pang gusto niyo maka-collab after Glock 9? Glock 10. Siyempre kung sino. Kasi kahit sino naman we're very open to collaborate with everyone, with anyone. Kahit sinong artist yan.
Pag nilagyan mo ng al, yung parang Glock, diba? Glock 9, Glock Cal. Parang kalakal na rin siya.
Anyways, malapit. Ayan, 1 minute left na lang. Tapos, dediretso na sila sa lyric video.
Both parts of this live were like
nag-exit po kami saktong 12.
of so many laughs.
Sa lyric video. Pero bagong lahat, gusto po namin pasalamatan ng lahat sa pagsama po sa amin tonight sa pagsalubong sa Kalakal release. Thank you so much po.
I swear I feel like I need to cough.
Salamat. And sa lahat po
Justin
na
was
supporters
right.
si Sir Glock na nandito ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Gusto namin pasalamat sa Onesie and Asintada po for working so hard
Oh, is
for
that Glock
this
9's company?
collaboration song. Maraming salamat.
His
And of
label?
course, Rad Kids, maraming salamat po. Thank you guys. Ayan na, 12 na. Yay! May gusto ko pa sabihin.
Thank you po. Enjoy the song.
Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Sana po ma-enjoy niyo po ang Kalakal. And magkita-kita po tayo ulit sa susunod. Thank you so much po. Abangan niyo yung tatlo. Makakasama niyo po sila sa music video release. And di pa namin sasabihin kung kailan. Basta makakasama niyo sila. Thank you so much po. Bye-bye! Have a great night. Bye-bye! Pakinggan niyo po. Stream Kalakal. Let's go!
Bye-bye po. Asan yung...
Bye-bye!
Yes, we got kisses. Okay. Oh, that's a perfect place to stop. I don't know whether the boys did any... Well, I feel like I've seen all of their TikTok lives and lives in general, but I feel like it's very reminiscent of COVID times, which is not a good thing. Please, I don't want it to go back to this time like ever. At least not in our lifetimes. Please. It just must never happen again. It's just hideous. But Justin was right. I feel like my throat is really scratchy after watching this. It is contagious. If I get a full-blown cough after this, I will be really mad. And that's about it. This was just so great. I love it. And the chaos continues. And whenever they're together, they just enable each other to get like this. What I do like is, I think Stel, because of his personality, he like fake loses his temper when he's with Justin, which is quite funny. And I enjoy seeing that side of him. But I feel like Jar... I don't know, have we really ever seen Jar lose his temper? I've seen him be like serious. But I think the other way around, Jar doesn't lose his temper with Stel. Like, he'll just giggle or laugh or, like, join in. But I really love the dynamics of both of them together. It's so much fun. And it made me think about, like, I'd really love for the other three to do a live and to have this kind of feel. I mean, obviously, they'd have to be ill for it, but which I do not want. But it's always nice to see, like, different pairings of them, because there I was thinking that live where Josh was on fire was totally unforgettable. And the fact that Pablo couldn't care less whatever was going on. He was just so busy. That I was like, oh, I'm not going to find something as chaotic as this, as so fun as this. And I just did. And just like in the middle of this, I was questioning who they even were, because I'd forgotten that they were members of SB19, this crazy, monstrous group, these beasts, because they're just wild creatures. Untamable wild creatures. So incredibly funny, so relatable, so down to earth, so normal. And yeah, it's very evident in the kind of things that they say. Like, even sometimes they do it without even realizing. For instance, if you could be I don't know what the question was. I feel like I'm ill now. If you could be a product, what would you be? Estelle saying I would be a candle or a perfume. And what would you smell like? Estelle saying I would be something affordable. It's really interesting that he didn't go towards that luxury thing. He didn't kind of play on it, which he so easily could, because that is where my mind was going. But he constantly talks about that affordability, like, and that just reiterates how down to earth these boys are. That even if they're really not thinking about it, it's not an interview. That even then they talk about affordability, they talk about like not spending much money, about real life, and this is why SB19 are so different. I can't wait for you to talk to me about this part as well. And thank you once again we've got the channel name right here in front of us, is Stella Presser, for uploading and for subbing. And I know that they uploaded both parts, but I'd already watched part one through the YouTube account that is Soleil. So I got a little bit of a nice mix And I'm really grateful for everybody that does all of this subbing, because it's hard work. It really is. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun. And until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.